The James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST, is set to revolutionize our understanding of the universe in ways we never thought possible. But before we dive into the groundbreaking discoveries it will make, let's take a look at the history of this incredible telescope and the journey it has been on to get where it is today. JWST is the result of a collaboration between NASA, the European Space Agency, ESA, and the Canadian Space Agency, CSA. The idea for the telescope was first proposed in the 1990s as a successor to the Hubble Space Telescope, which at the time was the most powerful telescope in existence. But even the Hubble had its limitations, and scientists knew that there were certain areas of astronomy that it simply couldn't study. For example, the earliest galaxies that formed in the early universe were too far away and too faint to be observed by current telescopes. The formation of stars and planetary systems was also a mystery, and detecting the building blocks of life in other solar systems seemed like a distant dream. But the JWST, with its advanced technology and capabilities, would change all that. The JWST's primary mirror is made up of 18 hexagonal segments, each about 4.2 feet wide. This mirror is almost 100 times larger than the mirror on the Hubble Space Telescope, and it allows the JWST to collect much more light. This is crucial for studying faint objects in the early universe. The JWST also has a sun shield, which keeps the mirror and instruments cool. This is important because the telescope is designed to observe in the infrared part of the spectrum, and heat can interfere with these observations. The JWST's infrared capabilities are what set it apart from other telescopes. It will allow scientists to see through the dust clouds that often obscure our view of the universe. This will give us a glimpse into the early stages of star and planet formation, and it will also allow us to study the atmospheres of exoplanets in greater detail. The JWST will even have the ability to detect the building blocks of life, such as water and organic molecules, on these exoplanets. This is a major breakthrough in the field of astrobiology and the search for extraterrestrial life. Not only that, but the JWST will also have the ability to study the universe's first galaxies, stars, and black holes. This will give us a better understanding of how these celestial bodies formed and evolved over time. The telescope will also be able to study the history of the universe's expansion and provide insights into the nature of dark matter and dark energy. But the journey to getting the JWST into space was not an easy one. There were many technical challenges that had to be overcome, such as the development of the sun shield and the integration of the various instruments, and the cost of the project kept rising, reaching over $10 billion. But the scientists and engineers working on the JWST refused to give up. They knew that the potential discoveries the telescope could make were worth all the effort. Finally, after years of development, the JWST was ready for launch. It is set to be launched in December 2021 and placed in orbit around the second Lagrange point, which is about 1.5 million kilometers from Earth. From this vantage point, the JWST will have an unobstructed view of the universe. It is expected that JWST will give us the deepest and most distant views of the universe ever. One of the scientists working on the JWST project, Dr. Jennifer Wiseman, said, "The James Webb Space Telescope is a leap forward in our ability to explore the universe and understand our place in it. It's like upgrading from a pair of binoculars to a powerful telescope. We'll be able to see things that were previously invisible to us, and that has the potential to completely change our understanding of the universe and our place in it." But the JWST's capabilities don't stop there. The telescope will also be able to study our own solar system, providing new insights into the atmospheres of Jupiter and Saturn, and even potential for observing plumes of water vapor in Europa, one of Jupiter's moons. And as if all that wasn't enough, the JWST will also be able to study the formation of galaxies, stars, and planetary systems in our Milky Way and nearby galaxies. This will help us understand the processes that led to the formation of our own solar system and the potential for life elsewhere in the universe. So, as you can see, the James Webb Space Telescope truly is a game changer. It will give us a deeper understanding of the universe and our place in it, and open up new areas of research that we never thought possible. It's an exciting time to be alive, and we can't wait to see the groundbreaking discoveries that the JWST will make. In conclusion, the James Webb Space Telescope is a revolutionary telescope, which will open up new areas of astronomy that were previously inaccessible, and provide a deeper understanding of the universe and its history. The technology and capabilities of this telescope will change the way we view the universe, and this telescope is expected to give us the deepest and most distant views of the universe ever. The journey to get JWST into space was not an easy one, but for the potential discoveries it will make it all worthwhile. We can't wait to see the groundbreaking discoveries that the JWST will make in the future.